Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Facebook password. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. Here you need to click on the personal details center here, and here you can click on your personal details, and there is no option of password here. Okay, click on that password, and here you can see you have option of change password, but you must remember the password first to change. So how you can find your current password? You simply need to go back. You can use Chrome as well. I'm going to use Gmail, and click on your profile picture and click on Google account. Here you need to go onto the security and scroll down until you can see password manager. Click here, and here you can see Facebook. Click on that, enter your pattern, and here you can find your Facebook password. If you click on here, you can easily see, but if you want, you can copy from here as well. So this is the process by which you can see your Facebook password. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.